If you're trying to get your OneDrive files back, don't worry. In most cases, it's very quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to restore deleted files from OneDrive, and I'll also show you what to do if the files are still in OneDrive but missing from your PC. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you use the same account that was originally connected to the files you're trying to recover, because OneDrive can only show the content that belongs to that account. Once you're signed in, look at the left sidebar and click on Recycle Bin. This is where OneDrive stores deleted files and folders before they are permanently removed. If you deleted something recently, there's a very good chance it's still here. Now go through the list and find the file or folder you want back. You can click once to select a single item or hold the Control key if you want to choose more than one. If you're restoring a folder, make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if there are similar names. After you've selected the item, look at the top menu and click Restore. OneDrive will then return that file or folder to its original location automatically. That's one of the biggest advantages of using OneDrive's Recycle Bin, because you do not have to manually rebuild folders or re-upload anything. The item goes right back where it was before, which saves time and helps keep everything organized. After you click Restore, give it a moment to process. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, it may take a few seconds before it fully appears again. Now, if your files are not deleted from OneDrive but they are missing from your PC, there's a second fix you should try. Open File Explorer on your computer and look for OneDrive in the left sidebar. Click it, and if you're prompted, sign into your OneDrive account again. Sometimes files are still safely stored in the cloud, but your computer just needs to finish syncing them back down. Once you're signed in, wait for syncing to complete. This part is important because if OneDrive is paused, disconnected, or still processing changes, your files may not show up immediately. Give it a little time and check whether the missing files reappear in the OneDrive folder on your PC. In many cases, the files are already there online, and this step is all it takes to bring them back locally. If you still do not see the files after restoring them or after syncing, double check that you're logged into the right Microsoft account and that your device is connected to the internet. Those are two of the most common reasons files seem missing. Also, if you deleted the files a long time ago, they may no longer be in the recycle bin, so restore them as soon as possible whenever you notice something is missing. And that's it. You now know how to get OneDrive files back, whether they were deleted from the cloud or just missing from your computer. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.